the race, racing. As they settle, we have Alam Mo Na Yan, break quickly restored, moving up Summit first, Terbalak is on the outside, Apex is down on the inside, that is Girl comes next, Nitty Gritty Archer, while Deputy Orpa is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Apex, Summit first, moving up on the outside, Terbalak, then followed by Alam Mo Na Yan, that is Girl comes next, Deputy Orpa, Archer second last, while Nitty Gritty now in behind them, half-mile distance they traveled. We have Apex, Summit first in second, Terbalak is very close third, then followed by Alam Mo Na Yan, moving upon the outside, Deputy Orpa, that is Girl comes next, Nitty Gritty, while Archer is in behind them, and at the far turn we have Apex by about 3/4 of a length lead, Summit first still in second, then here comes Terbalak, now closing in third, Alam Mo Na Yan, still in fourth, then followed by Deputy Orpa, moving upon the outside, Nitty Gritty, that is Girl, while Archer still in behind them as they swing for home. We have Apex, this time by about 3 lengths, and in second, Summit first, Terbalak still in third, with about 100 meters of the race, and it's still Apex, followed by Summit first in second, and finally, it's Apex, Summit first, Terbalak goes with Alam Mo Na Yan, then comes Nitty Gritty.
Yun na nga po ang pagkakapanalo ni Apex, Sumigundo, Summit Force. Close tayo para sa tercerong pwesto between Alam Mo Na Yan and Terbalak.